Over the past few weekends, I've been testing out the X Laser Labs X1 Pro, but today we're cleaning up rust, grime, and whatever else I can find around the shop. This isn't heavily rusted or pitted, it's mostly surface rust, so it's coming off really easy. I also like how easy it is to get in between the links and around everything. You can see this caliper was found outside. It still has all its original grease and rust and hasn't been cleaned up before. Right away you could tell just how dirty the caliper is with the black smoke burning off. I'm noticing a lot more sparks coming off the caliper during the cleaning, likely loose rust and metal. It still seems to be doing a great job at cleaning, and I have the machine set to 50% power right now. I don't think I'll need to turn it up for this. I really like how it can get into those inside corners with ease. That was super satisfying. Honestly, I could do that all day. Let's move on to our rotor. As you can see, the rotor's in pretty bad shape, so I'm gonna turn up the power. I'm just curious what 100% power would be. I notice a lot more sparks coming off the rotor at max power, and the runtime drops because it reaches its duty cycle limit much faster. The rust on the inside of the rotor was caked on, so I'm really gonna give her here. I don't know if it's noticeable on camera, but the power seems to be gradually dropping off. Oh, it seemed to just shut itself down. I probably overdid it here and ran past the duty cycle, and yeah, blew a fuse. Well, I don't want that to happen again, so I'm going back to 50% power. Seemed to do the job. Let's move on to a front rebar. Throughout these tests, the laser was set to its widest scan width of 8mm. Here, it was coming to the end of its duty cycle, so it got a little weak. I just gave the machine a 15-second break, then I was able to go right back at it. And here we have a rusted quarter panel. Let's see what the X1 Pro can do with this one. All cleaned up and did a great job. It's still going to need to be sanded and smoothed over before primer, but it did remove all the rust. That was so fun and so cool. I never thought that I would be vaporizing rust with a laser. There are dedicated laser cleaning machines out there that focus solely on cleaning and rust removal, often with more power or specialized designs. But for a 3-in-1 welder, cutter, and cleaner, this thing does an impressive job for the kinds of project I plan to tackle here in the shop.